Good morning, I'm Zahra Ifni from Office Application 2. Today I'm going to present my family tree. Maternal family. First, starting with my mother's side. My grandfather's name is Haryanto and my grandmother's name is Supati. However, my grandfather passed away 8 years ago and my grandmother passed away 2 years ago. They were blessed with 5 children, 4 daughters and 1 son. My mother, 4 daughters and 1 son. My mother is the second of 5 siblings. Her elder sister's name is Heni Supriyaningsi. My younger brother's name is Isdianto. Her younger sister's name is Nur Supriyani and their younger sister is Iskiamili. Paternal family. Moving on to my father's side. My grandfather's name was Basan Effendi and he passed away 6 years ago. My grandmother is still alive and currently live in Pontianak. They were blessed with 4 children, 3 sons and 1 daughter. My father is the second of 4 siblings. His eldest brother's name is Hadi Kuspian and his younger sister's name is Heni Yulianti. My family consists of my father, mother, sibling, and myself. My father's name is Helmi Effni. He was born in Tanjung Pinang on May 6, 1970. He is currently 50 years old. My mother's name is Happy Novita. She was born in Pontianak on November 25, 1974. She is currently 50 years old. My sibling. My eldest sister name is Eka Helfani. She was born in Pontianak on August 20, 1994. She is currently 30 years old. She is married. My older brother name is Muhammad Kini Effni. He was born in Pangkalan Bun on May 14, 2000. He is currently 25 years old. He is currently graduate from Stekom University. My younger sister name is Melati Adiba Ifni. She was born in Pangkalan Bun on May 21, 2013. She has passed away. About me, my name is Zahra Ifni. I was born in Pangkalan Bun on May 12, 2006. I am currently 18 years old. I am studying in Office Application 2. That's all my presentation about my family tree. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.